Hey, hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Uh, Thanks for watching. If this is your first time visiting, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification icon. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the color of this background. So it's way easier to change color in background this day and make it look realistic by still keeping our shadows there. So how are we going to do that now? Firstly, I won't be showing you how to remove background. If you want to know how I remove background and how I did this extension, you can watch my other videos. There are steps there on how to do that, which are very easy. So I've already removed the picture from the background. And to turn on this background layer right now, you can see our model. She's standing alone. So then I did the adjustment of the background. I cleaned the background, as you can see, and our shadows is still there. So we'll just jump into how we're going to create as in change the background color right now. I don't want to take long. If you want to know how I did the background to this stage, you can watch my previous video. I'm still using this my particular model there, and she's still wearing this outfit there. So you can just scroll down and check the videos if you see how I did it. Very simple. So something about changing a background or manipulating a background in Photoshop, make sure the details are still there, e.g. the shadows. Make sure you're still protecting the shadows. So make sure the shadows are there and make sure you have a nice crop out image. Try copying out the image the perfect way. So we're done with that. So let's jump into changing the color right now. I'm going to click on my curve adjustment layer over here. Click on it, then I'll go to hue and saturation. Once it loads, these are it's going to load. But make sure whatever you're doing, make sure your model picture is above. Don't do anything on top of picture. So we are working on the background alone. We already cropped out the picture from the background. So next thing you do now is also click on colorize. So you can see automatically when we click on colorize, you can see the color change a little bit. So now you can just adjust the settings via any color you need. Just keep on sliding. So you can see, change whatever color you want. Changes. As you can see, the shadows are still there, so it's making it look more realistic, as you can see. So choose any color you want. Let me go with the cyan for now. So you can decide to increase the saturation or decrease it. Then you can brighten it also. As you can see right now, you can brighten it, you can reduce the brightness. So just to make it look realistic. So it's very simple, as before and after. Changing background color, and it's looking real as if the picture was taken there, but we can still have some issue right there. While cropping the picture, it might still show some of the color in the model. Let's see if we can see any error. But perfectly right now the picture is perfect so far. But if you have any issue with strands of the background left on the outfit or on the model face, you can easily amend that by clicking on the model picture over here. You've already clicked it. Click on the model picture over here, then go to under layer, scroll down on it, and look for methane. Under methane, click on color decontaminate, click on it. 83%, you can put it on 90, 85 or 90%, then click OK. Automatically all the strands of color left on the background color left in the outfit will be deleted automatically, which will make our picture look nice. So you can just decide to color grade it now, or do whatever you want to the picture to make it pops up anyhow you want it. So let's do our before and after. So now if you have to zoom in now, this is our before, these are after. It's looking real. Changing background, very simple. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on the notification icon. If you have any question, you can contact me below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for